Welcome to this Push Picking Up Steam at Home challenge. Alright, so I got a tough one for you. I know you all are good at stacking cups, and I know you're good at making creations. So I thought I'd give you a real challenge. Today's challenge is about building a structure, the tallest structure you can, out of Post-it notes. But for this to truly be a challenge and not be super wasteful, because come on, everybody needs Post-it notes, and I don't want y'all going through the entire family supply of Post-it notes. This challenge is, what is the tallest structure you can make with 15 Post-it notes in 15 minutes? Got it? Now, the challenge is just use 15 Post-it notes. That's about this many, but definitely count them. That's about this many. Not enough so that you take up the whole pad, but you just use 15. Now, you may do anything to the Post-it notes that you want, but you cannot add anything to it. No tape, no glue, nothing. That's the only rules, all right? Use the Post-it notes how you need, but only 15, and you only have 15 minutes to build in. All right, I'm going to link a 15-minute timer in YouTube here in the comments below if you need a timer, but certainly time yourself on your phone or your watch or however you need to. All right, I can't wait to see what you come up with. I'd love to get tweeted any pictures of successful structures that you thought were great, or certainly email me any of your ideas. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for tuning in for this Post-it note Push Picking Up Steam at Home challenge.